बेचारे दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल को एक तगड़ा झटका लगा है। आपको बता दें, अरविंद केजरीवाल सीबीआई के अरेस्ट को जो चुनौती थी देने के लिए पहुंचे थे कोर्ट। फिलहाल एक बड़ा सेटबैक यहां पर अरविंद केजरीवाल के लिए। तो दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल अभी भी जेल में ही रहेंगे। ये बड़ा अपडेट इस बीच सामने आया है। साथ ही साथ आपको बता दें 5 सितंबर को मामले की अगली सुनवाई होगी। तब तक अरविंद केजरीवाल जेल में ही रहेंगे। सीबीआई द्वारा जो अरेस्ट का पूरा मामला था उसी को चुनौती देते हुए कोर्ट पहुंचे हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल, जहां पर कोर्ट द्वारा, सुप्रीम कोर्ट द्वारा उनकी अपील जो थी, याचिका जो थी, वो खारिज कर दी गई है। और हमारे सहयोगी हरीश इस वक्त हमारे साथ जुड़ गए। हरीश, दिस इज अ बिग सेटबैक फॉर अरविंद केजरीवाल, प्लीज गिव अस मोर डिटेल।
Yes, a clear setback for Arvind Kejriwal as the Supreme Court has adjourned, has deferred the hearing in his two petitions. One seeking bail in the CBI case as far as the Delhi liquor scam is concerned, and two in the petition he has filed challenging his arrest by the CBI. Both were listed today, but the Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, who had appeared for CBI, said they have filed response in only one matter, the bail application, and they need more time to file reply in the petition in which Arvind Kejriwal has challenged this arrest by the CBI. Considering this request, the bench led by Justice Suryakant has given the CBI time till September 2 and 2 more days from September 2 for Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who is appearing for Arvind Kejriwal, to file a rejoinder. So, in a way, today's hearing means that Arvind Kejriwal will remain in jail for at least 2 more weeks. His wait still continues. Why it's important for Arvind Kejriwal to get bail in CBI case is because only then he can walk free, because he is already on interim bail in the ED case. He has secured bail from the Supreme Court in the ED case, but he could not walk free because he is in judicial custody in the CBI case. So this is the importance of the matter pending in the Supreme Court, because only if he gets bail in the CBI case, Arvind Kejriwal can walk free. His lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi has already called his arrest in the CBI case as an insurance arrest by the CBI, just to ensure that Arvind Kejriwal does not walk free even if he gets bail in the ED case. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal has been in jail for almost 5 months now after his arrest by the ED in the Delhi liquor scam. In between, he had come out on interim bail only for 21 days after the Supreme Court had given interim bail in the ED case. So today's deferment essentially means that Arvind Kejriwal will remain in jail for at least 2 more weeks. Back to you.
बिल्कुल हरीश, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इन तमाम जानकारी के लिए। तो इस बड़ी खबर से आगे बढ़